and that led to some scars on my face. Really? Yes, really. So I'm gonna show you some pictures. Without a wrap. Hey stars, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Tara, and passing it on is my passion. And one of the areas I love to share is skincare. So if you guys are interested, apologies for the noise. Let's just continue and fight this. So if you guys are interested, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I have new videos just like this. For today's video, I'm going to be doing a review on one of the skincare products that really helped me in my journey. It is the Nuskin Enhancer Skin Conditioning Gel. So I'm going to be sharing information about this, the application, the claims and benefits, and the reason why I got into this. And of course, at the end, my feedback. So if you guys want to know more, stick around because I'm here to pass it on. Nuskin Enhancer Skin Conditioning Gel is a light hydrator that soothes chapped, or sunburned skin. With conditioning panthenol and aloe vera, Enhancer soothes the skin and prevents moisture loss. It is also the perfect conditioner for oily skin, or can be used as a soothing gel for dry or sensitive skin. Its key ingredients include aloe vera, a natural conditioning agent recognized for its soothing properties; panthenol, a pro-B vitamin that conditions the skin; naphtha, a humectant that binds moisture to the skin. Application: apply liberally to keep skin comfortable. May also be used as a spa treatment. For my review, let me start with facts and then claims. Facts: this retails at 1,300 pesos and you already get 100 ml. This is readily available online, or you can purchase this through a Nuskin member. For its claims or benefits. Refreshing multi-purpose soother and moisturizer. Great pre or post-shave conditioner. Natural refreshing fragrance. Diminishes the appearance of fine dry lines and wrinkles by replenishing much needed moisture. Has a subtle cooling sensation that feels great on the skin. Safety allergy dermatologist tested. I obviously love this product. So before I share with you the points to love, allow me to share with you my story, what got me into this. So a few years ago, I had chicken pox, and that led to some scars on my face. Really? Yes, really. So I'm gonna show you some pictures. Without a wrap. Wrap boy. So as you can see, you can just imagine I was really worried. Gladly, this was introduced to me. Fast forward to today. No more scars, no more blemishes. You couldn't even think that I had that. Although it did not say on its claims and benefits that this could remove or lighten scars, you would know because of its key ingredient, aloe vera. As we know, aloe vera has properties that could help lighten or remove scars. For my feedback, I obviously love this product. There isn't something I dislike about it. I have proven its effectivity. And so the points to love. First and foremost, the reason why I got this, it removes or lightens scars. Now, you know how it is when you have a scar on your body and you just put any ointment? It's not that you don't care, but you are not as particular with what you put on your face if your face had a scar, right? And so this really worked for me. I recommend this. It will take time. Healing takes time, but you will get there. Next, obviously, it has good quality, premium ingredients, and I super love its cooling sensation. It's subtle as well as the scent, not overwhelming. It has many uses. It is a multi-purpose product. You can use this for your scars, for your pimples. You can use it to spot treat. You can use it for sunburns, and if you have combination to oily skin like me, you can replace your moisturizer to a hydrator and use this. It's good for all skin types. In fact, this is also safe for babies. I have tried applying this on Renee. And last but not the least, its availability. It is readily available online, very convenient, or you can purchase this through a Nuskin member. So I hope this video helps, and if it does, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I have new videos. And if you have any questions, please feel free to drop a comment down below. See you in the next one. Bye!